The Sun Princess Cruise is one of the most exciting cruise experiences. It has an incredible design with tons of things to do. But how cool would it be to know precisely what to do or book before stepping foot on the ship? Kind of like a secret itinerary that no one else has. In today's video, we'll tell you exactly what this secret itinerary is. Buckle up because we're taking our knowledge and hours of research to the sea to share some essential tips for this cruise. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, check the links in the description for a few extra hidden gems to help you pass the time while waiting at the airport or to board your cruise. Now, let's begin. Tip 1. Attend the Sailway Party. On boarding day, we are all excited to get on board and head to our cabin, but wait to head to your cabin instead. Make your way to the Sailway Party. It's one of the best moments on the cruise. You need to be a part of this event that starts your cruise in the best possible way. The atmosphere is electric, with live music and drinks flowing. The ultimate spot to soak in the Sailway Party is just above the pool deck. From there, you can revel in the festivities while witnessing the shoreline fade into the horizon. Tip 2. Choose the Princess Plus package. With Princess Cruises' beverage package, you can enjoy beer, spirits, wine by the glass, and cocktails valued at up to $12 each. Keep in mind there's a limit of 15 alcoholic drinks per person per day. Additionally, non-alcoholic options like mocktails and specialty coffees are also covered. However, it does not include wine bottles, canned fizzy drinks, or 1-liter bottles of water. If you wish to purchase any of these, you'll get a 25% discount. A good thing about this particular package is that it also takes care of the staff. A significant amount of the package's daily cost will be divided amongst the entire Sun Princess staff. Overall, the Princess Plus package is worth the additional $45 you're charged. Even if you have 3 to 4 drinks, that will already cover the amount you've paid. Again, an amenity like Wi-Fi isn't required for every passenger, so you can get it if needed. Tip 3. Pre-book your excursions restaurants. If there's a place you really want to visit or a particular restaurant you need to try, make sure to pre-book it before you set sail. With more than 3,000 passengers on board, anything you might be looking for might already have been booked. The Sun Princess has 3 main dining rooms, all of which are complimentary with basic fare. So, avoid the rookie mistake of limiting yourself to the cruise buffet. Tip 4. Activities for the entire family park. 19. A thrilling new family activity area located on the top 3 decks of the Sun Princess is the first item on the list. Park 19 is a family-friendly amusement park divided into 9 zones. The Sea Breeze, the first roll glider at sea, comes first. As you soar into the air, you'll see incredible ocean vistas. Then there's the fantastic 1-deck coastal climb, an adrenaline obstacle course that will blow your mind, and the action-packed net hike, which includes cargo nets, a Z-shaped balance beam, and shaky bridges. Additionally, the splash zone is the ideal remedy for cooling off the sun's heat. Kids can enjoy Firefly Park, which is adjacent to Park 19. It is a creative area ideal for children between 6 months and 7 years old. Activities available there include arts and crafts, group games, and themed parties. Neon Grove and the Underground are 2 areas of the ship with comfortable couches, game consoles, group activities, and other entertaining activities to keep tweens and adolescents occupied. Tip 5. Head to the Dome for activities. The Dome aboard Sun Princess is the ideal location to spend time day or night. This multi-purpose space allows you to relax on a cozy lounger throughout the day, swim in the indoor-outdoor pool, or grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants. The area changes at night to host a variety of live entertainment, such as dance performances and aerial hoop demonstrations. You will have a fantastic time at this unique location. Whether you come to unwind or stay to see a concert in the evening, it is sure to be a hit with the whole family. Tip 6. Relax at the Wakeview Terrace. Another thing you could end up doing is go over to Wakeview Terrace and relax on the cruise. Located in a serene section of the ship, it features breathtaking ocean views and an infinity pool ideal for relaxing after a day of touring. It gives you the impression that you're floating over the water, a resort deck, and a lively bar area. The Wakeview Terrace is a fantastic Sun Princess location that is serene, picturesque, and sure to be well liked. Tip 7. Dine on the cruise. With over 10 distinct dining options, including gourmet favorites like Alfredo's Pizzeria, serving excellent freshly prepared pizzas, and the Crown Grill, serving great steak and seafood dishes, you'll never go hungry on board Sun Princess. You may also savor small snacks from establishments like Lido Tacos and the Terrace Grill all day. Additionally, Sun Princess has eateries that are only open to visitors in small and signature suites. First, guests staying in small and signature suites can enjoy a delicious and varied meal at the Chic Reserve Collection restaurant. Situated in a refined setting, the Signature restaurant provides an exceptional dining experience exclusively for visitors staying in signature suites. The best part of the cruise regarding food is that you can choose your own dining time. Sun Princess serves food from 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. at any time. Reservations can be made via the onboard dining hotline, though they are not required. You can also choose to eat exclusively with your party or other visitors. For those who like a more traditional cruise dining experience, you can dine early or late at the same table with the same passengers and personnel throughout the journey. Older travelers or those traveling with families are most likely to choose an early seat. With early seating, you may head to your cabin at a respectable hour after the 8 p.m. entertainment. Additionally, it offers passengers the choice to view the ladder show, which might differ from the original one. Tip 8. Make the most out of your suite. Sun Princess Suites are the perfect choice for a luxurious stay, whether you're looking to celebrate a particular occasion or are just seeking a superior lodging alternative. You can select from a range of suites under their signature collection, ranging from the entry-level small suite to the top-tier signature sky suite. The most significant way to cruise is to choose a Sun Princess suite, which offers impressive facilities and privileges. In addition to the signature sky suite and mini suite, Sun Princess provides the following options: the Owner's Suite Signature, Distinguished Penthouse Suites, the Signature Suite Mini Suite Cabana. Tip 9. Don't miss the beer festival. The Beer and Wine Festival is conducted twice a year on cruises longer than 7 days. Head to the top deck to find it. Enjoy live music at this energetic mini festival as you peruse the exhibits while sipping a glass of wine or a cool craft beer. Tip 10. Head to the Sanctuary. More than 2,000 people are on board, so finding a private area can be challenging. Located at the front of Sun Deck 15, the Sanctuary is an adult hideaway. $20 half-day ticket gets you in, but there's also an exceptional service. If you feel exhausted, a crew member can offer you a cold face cloth, fruit-infused water, or an Evian spray. Feeling hungry? Choose from the selection of wholesome, light snacks. You can cool down in the pool facing the ship's bow, or sit on a thickly padded sun lounger sheltered by an awning. Tip 11. Tips aren't necessary. Tipping is typically optional on Sun Princess cruises that leave from nearby ports. It covers meals, drinks, and gratuities in the hotel. However, tips at the spa could be collected. At any point during the voyage, you are welcome to tip the crew for outstanding service. At the front desk, there are envelopes if you want to use them. The Sun Princess cruise is an adventure you want to take advantage of. With so many amenities and things to do, this cruise is something you'll remember for a lifetime if you can go on this cruise with your significant other, family, and friends. I hope these tips were helpful to you. See you next time.